In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use the Rosalia font on Instagram stories and reels. The new Rosalia font arrived on Instagram as a collaboration with the Spanish pop and flamenco artist Rosalia, and it brings a bold, artistic handwriting style inspired by her personal lettering. It's designed to give your stories and reels a fresh, youthful flair without needing any extra apps or complex editing. Let's walk through how to find it and make it look great. Start by opening Instagram and creating either a story or a reel. For stories, you can swipe right from your feed or tap the plus button and choose story. For reels, tap the plus and select reel, then proceed to the editing screen. Once you're on the editor, look for the text tool. Tap the AA text icon to add text. This opens the text keyboard and the font carousel so you can choose your style before or after typing. Now scroll through the font options until you see the one labeled Rosalia. It often shows up near the start of the list, sometimes even on the far left, because Instagram highlights new and featured fonts. If you don't spot it right away, swipe through the font carousel slowly so you don't miss it. When you see Rosalia, tap it to select the font, then type your message. From here, make it yours. Customize the text size by dragging the size slider and adjust the color using the color picker at the bottom. You can tap and drag your text to reposition it anywhere on the screen and use two fingers to pinch in or out to resize and rotate. If your background is busy, choose a high contrast color so the handwriting style stays readable. You can also try different alignments and spacing to balance your layout, especially if you're placing text around stickers or video subjects. Short, punchy phrases tend to look best with this expressive font. If the Rosalia font isn't appearing for you yet, don't worry. Instagram often rolls out features in phases. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version in your device's app store, then check again. The font is available for both stories and reels, so try opening each editor if you don't see it right away. It should appear soon as the rollout completes. That's all you need to start using the Rosalia font and add a distinctive, artistic touch to your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.